Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that has captured the attention of health enthusiasts and researchers alike: reversing aging through exercise and health secrets. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes that can affect our physical appearance and overall well-being. However, did you know that regular exercise can play a pivotal role in slowing down this process? Physical activity helps maintain muscle mass and bone density, boosts metabolism, and enhances mood. In this video, we'll uncover some shocking anti-aging secrets that you won't want to miss. From specific workout routines to lesser-known health tips, we'll provide actionable insights to help you turn back the clock. Imagine feeling more energetic, vibrant, and youthful. These are just a few incredible benefits of adopting a proactive approach to your health. By the end of this video, you'll understand the science behind exercise and aging and have practical strategies to implement in your daily life. So, if you're ready to look and feel younger, stay tuned as we reveal the secrets that could transform your health and longevity. Let's get started on this journey to a more youthful you. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. The exercise secret to reverse aging. Exercise is one of the most potent tools for reversing aging. The science behind this is fascinating. Regular physical activity stimulates the production of growth hormones and enhances blood circulation, which helps repair and regenerate cells. This process improves muscle strength and flexibility, supports cognitive function, and boosts the immune system. So, what specific exercises can help promote longevity and vitality? First up, strength training is essential. Lifting weights or resistance bands helps maintain muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. Incorporating exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups into your routine can significantly enhance your overall strength and stability. Next, consider the power of cardiovascular exercises. Activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming improve heart health and increase endurance. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week to reap the benefits. Finally, flexibility and balance exercises, such as yoga or tai chi, are crucial for maintaining mobility and preventing falls. These practices enhance physical well-being and promote mental clarity and relaxation. We encourage you to incorporate these exercises into your daily routine. Start small, set achievable goals, and gradually increase the intensity. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to feeling younger and more vibrant. Let's embrace the power of exercise together and unlock the secret to a healthier, more youthful life. Shocking anti-aging secrets you're missing. Many people focus solely on exercise when it comes to anti-aging, but there are lesser-known secrets that can significantly enhance overall health and vitality. One surprising fact is that nutrition plays a crucial role in how we age. A diet rich in antioxidants, found in colorful fruits and vegetables, can combat oxidative stress, a significant contributor to aging. Foods like berries, nuts, and leafy greens nourish your body and help maintain youthful skin and energy levels. Another critical factor often overlooked is the impact of hydration. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and overall bodily functions. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, and consider incorporating hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon into your diet. Sleep is another critical component of the anti-aging equation. Quality sleep allows your body to repair itself and regenerate cells. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to support cognitive function and emotional well-being. We encourage you to adopt these shocking anti-aging secrets into your daily routine. Making mindful nutrition choices, prioritizing hydration, and ensuring enough sleep can significantly enhance your health and well-being. Embrace these lifestyle changes, and watch as you feel younger and enjoy a more vibrant and fulfilling life. Let's unlock the secrets to aging gracefully together. 5 most anti-aging exercises. Staying active becomes essential for maintaining health and vitality as we age. Here are 5 practical exercises specifically designed to combat aging, along with clear instructions and their benefits. 1. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body as if sitting back into a chair, keeping your knees behind your toes. Rise back up to standing. Squats strengthen your legs and core, improving balance and mobility, which are crucial as we age. 2. Push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground, then push back up. If needed, modify by doing push-ups on your knees. This exercise builds upper body strength and supports bone health. 3. Plank. Lie face down, then lift your body onto your forearms and toes, keeping a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 20-30 seconds. Planks engage your core muscles, enhancing stability and posture, which can prevent falls. 4. Walking lunges. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Alternate legs as you move forward. This exercise improves leg strength and flexibility, promoting better movement patterns. 5. Seated leg raises. Sit on a chair with your back straight. Extend one leg straight and hold for a few seconds, then lower it back. Repeat with the other leg. This exercise strengthens your hip flexors and improves circulation. We encourage you to try these exercises at home. Incorporating them into your routine can help you feel stronger, more agile, and ultimately, younger. 7 longevity secrets. Many people want to live longer, healthier lives, and several secrets can help them achieve this. Here are 7 essential tips to enhance your longevity and overall well-being. 1. Balanced diet. Prioritize a diet rich in whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This balanced approach provides essential nutrients that support your body's functions and help prevent chronic diseases. 2. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week, combined with strength training exercises. Regular physical activity boosts your metabolism, strengthens your muscles, and improves cardiovascular health, all contributing to a longer life. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for maintaining bodily functions and promoting skin health. Aim for at least 8 glasses daily, and consider hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables. 4. Prioritize mental health. Managing stress through mindfulness practices, meditation, or yoga can significantly impact your overall health. A positive mindset is linked to longevity, so take time for self-care and relaxation. 5. Foster social connections. Building and maintaining solid relationships with family and friends can enhance your emotional well-being. Social interactions provide support and reduce feelings of loneliness, which can negatively affect health. 6. Get quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. Quality sleep is essential for physical recovery, cognitive function, and emotional balance. 7. Lifelong learning. Engage your mind by pursuing new hobbies, reading, or taking classes. Keeping your brain active can help maintain cognitive function as you age. We encourage you to implement these longevity secrets into your lifestyle. Small changes can significantly improve your health and well-being, helping you live a longer, more fulfilling life. Do these 8 anti-aging exercises and see what happens. Incorporating these 8 anti-aging exercises into your routine can make a significant difference if you want to reverse the effects of aging. Let's review each exercise and explore the benefits you can expect. 1. Body weight squats. Stand with feet shoulder width apart and lower your body as if sitting back in a chair. This strengthens your legs and core, improving balance and mobility. 2. Push-ups. Start in a plank position and lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground. This exercise builds upper body strength and enhances bone density. 3. Plank. Hold a straight line from head to heels on your forearms and toes. This engages your core, improving stability and posture. 4. Walking lunges. Step forward into a lunge, alternating legs. This exercise enhances leg strength and flexibility, promoting better movement patterns. 5. Glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes. This strengthens your lower back and glutes, supporting overall stability. 6. Seated leg raises. While sitting, extend one leg out straight and hold. This strengthens hip flexors and improves circulation. 7. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back and alternate, bringing your knees to your chest while twisting your torso. This targets your core and improves abdominal strength. 8. Yoga or stretching. Incorporate a few minutes of yoga or stretching to enhance flexibility and reduce stress. As you perform these exercises, expect to see improvements in your physical strength, flexibility, and mental clarity. We encourage you to track your progress and share your experiences with others. Not only will you feel more energized, but you'll also be taking proactive steps toward a healthier, more youthful you. Health secrets to look 50 years younger. If you want to turn back the clock and appear significantly younger, several health secrets can help you achieve that youthful glow. Let's explore some practical tips on skincare, nutrition, and fitness that can make a real difference. First, skincare is crucial. Establish a daily routine that includes cleansing, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen. Look for products with ingredients like hyaluronic acid and retinol, which can help hydrate the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Don't forget to exfoliate regularly to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover for a brighter complexion. Next, nutrition plays a vital role in how you look and feel. Focus on a diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Foods like berries, nuts, avocados, and leafy greens can help combat oxidative stress and promote skin health. Staying hydrated is equally important, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Fitness is another critical component. Regular exercise helps maintain a healthy weight, improves circulation, and boosts mood. Incorporate cardiovascular, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine for optimal results. Finally, a positive mindset can significantly impact your appearance. Embrace gratitude, practice mindfulness, and surround yourself with supportive people. A cheerful attitude can radiate from within, making you look and feel younger. We encourage you to adopt these health secrets into your daily life. With consistent effort, you can achieve a more youthful appearance and enjoy the benefits of feeling vibrant and alive. We discussed how regular physical activity strengthens your body and enhances your mental well-being, making it a crucial component of a youthful lifestyle. Incorporating these movements into your routine, from strength training to flexibility exercises, can significantly improve your overall health and vitality. We also uncovered some lesser-known health secrets, such as the importance of a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, staying hydrated, and prioritizing quality sleep. These actionable steps can be easily integrated into your daily life, allowing you to start feeling and looking younger almost immediately. Remember, small changes can lead to remarkable results over time. As you embark on this journey to a healthier, more youthful you, we encourage you to track your progress and share your experiences. Your stories can inspire others to take charge of their health as well. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on health and wellness. Consider sharing this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can create a community focused on living our best lives and gracefully embracing the secrets of aging. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.